Guys, in this video I will show you how you can add music to your Instagram story quick and easy. So let's get started. But first let me jump to my profile. So I'm on my profile page on Instagram account, and all I have to do is press the plus sign on my profile picture, and then you get access to your story. And here go ahead and take a picture. And typically what I like to do is a solid background when I share songs. So press on the marker, choose color, press and hold, and now all you have to do is go to the stickers and search for a music. If you don't have a music option here, that's because this option is not yet supported in your country, but I made a video how you can get it. I will link that down below. But anyways, press on the music sticker. Here we have two options, a for you option, and you could also browse your music. So you could go ahead and play a song here, and if you like a song you could just tap on it and add it. Here you can choose how you want to be the music displayed. You can choose music only or these two options here. You could also crop the music, so you can go here and just do this. And you could also change the color of the text. Now let me show you the lyrics option. So if you press the music option, here some song like this one has lyrics too. So you can go ahead and tap on it. And that actually changes the font of the lyrics too. Or you can just do the traditional way. And that's how you can add music to your Instagram story. I hope it helped, guys. Thanks for your attention and see you next time.